everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for many of your essential devices, the PPJ 5V AC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's specifically designed to be a perfect match for a range of Elmo document cameras, including the MO-1, M01, and various models like 1337-1, 1337-2, 1337-3, 1337-164, 1336-12, MO-1WH, MO-1B, and the 5ZA00000191. It also extends its compatibility to Mach speed trio, devices such as the Stealth-9, MSD921, and the Stealth-10 G2, making it a versatile power solution for visual presenters and tablets alike. One of the first things to appreciate about this PPJ adapter is its universal input voltage. It's built to handle AC 100V to 240V at 50-60 Hz, which means it's ready for use almost anywhere in the world, making it an excellent choice for professionals who travel or for educational institutions with diverse equipment needs. The output is a stable 5V, ensuring your devices receive the precise power they require to function optimally without any risk of over- or underpowering. Safety is paramount when it comes to electronics, and PPJ has clearly prioritized this. This adapter comes with CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, which are strong indicators of its quality and adherence to strict international safety and environmental standards. But beyond just certifications, it incorporates a robust set of protective features. We're talking about OVP, or overvoltage output protection, which safeguards your devices from damaging voltage spikes. Then there's OCP, overcurrent output protection, preventing excessive current flow that could harm sensitive electronics. And finally, SCP, or short circuit output protection, which is crucial for preventing damage in the event of an electrical short. These layers of protection provide significant peace of mind, knowing that your valuable equipment is well protected against common electrical mishaps. The manufacturer has rigorously tested this adapter to ensure it not only matches, but often exceeds OEM specifications. This commitment to quality means you're getting a reliable and durable power source that performs just as well, if not better, than the original. It's always recommended to double-check your device's model before purchasing, but with such broad compatibility listed, it's clear PPJ aims to cover a wide array of popular devices. For anyone needing a dependable, safe, and globally compatible 5V AC adapter for their Elmo document camera or Mach Speed Trio tablet, this PPJ offering stands out as a top-tier choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.